you again and thank you for watching Cooking with an Italian. Guys, today is something very Mediterranean. We're going to make some aubergine rolls with Tallegio cheese inside and wrapped in the Parma ham. It's very easy to do and super tasty, and we need a few ingredients. In Italiano we call this involtini di melanzane con il prosciutto crudo. We need of course aubergine. Well, later depending on how many rolls you want to do, up to you. We need the Tallegio cheese. Tallegio cheese is quite soft cheese, you know, you can see it's soft, but you can choose any cheese you like, but I recommend this. We have some Parma ham, salt and pepper. And the oven is already on because I'm gonna cook this in the oven quickly. Okay? I recommend you one knife like that. For bread knife is better. You cut better. Chop the ends. Perfect. Now, very finely, this we take it off. We use for later, and cut quite not thin, or even not thick, okay? Something like this, okay? And maybe this is a little bit thicker, but you know, something like that, okay? The end off from the other side, right? Easy. Okay, I cut number one. I preheat the oven. I think I told you already. 200 degrees. And this is gonna be inside 15 minutes, stuff like that. I need just they're gonna cook a little bit because we're gonna stuff the cheese and the ham, wrap in the ham, in the Parma ham, and we're gonna put another 5-8 minutes in the oven. The time the cheese gonna melt a little bit, okay? Because when they cook, you can move a lot better. Now you can do this. Put some salt on top like this, and leave to, you know, there's watering. They have a lot of water, the aubergine. Leave like that for 10 minutes, and later I'm gonna show you the next step, okay? Okay guys, 10 minutes gone. Take a kitchen roll, just try a little bit, you know, already, just roughly like that, you know, you don't have to be, okay. Now, the next step is oven. Take a tray for the oven, and we need some olive oil on the bottom. Take your time, you know. Always guys, if you like this video, share with friends, subscribe on the channel if you can, and check our website cookingwithanitalian.com. Okay, now aubergine inside the way you like. Okay, now guys, on this aubergine, a little touch of olive oil, brush, and they're going in the oven 200 degrees around 15 minutes, 10-15 minutes. I'm gonna be more precise later. And some black pepper if you like. So not too much salt because the Parma ham is salty, okay? And I prepared the other tray. I'm gonna show you the next step. Okay guys, my two tray, I squeeze a little bit them, and you know, like this, salt and pepper, not too much salt, and now they're going in the oven 200 degrees around 15 minutes. I'm gonna be more precise later, okay? 1, 2, I can show you the in, and see you in 15 minutes, something like that, okay? Okay guys, the aubergine 15 minutes, even when it's fine, it's even too much, but anyway, what we're gonna do, I will use the same tray, and we're gonna do this. Very gentle. Take your cheese, like this. Cut one, put how much you like, and easy, roll it, okay? And the next is, take your arm, gentle, you know. Doesn't matter if you break some slice, but put like this. Maybe you can have one like in this way, like this. Block it like this and roll it the best way you can, okay? It's just like that. It's easy. I use the same tray, okay? I'll show you another one. Later I'm going to finish all of them. I told you I use the Tallegio cheese, but you can use any cheese you like. But this cheese is very good for that, you know? Done? Take your ham, you know, you can break it, you know, you use all the way. And I put it, because this we're gonna again put in the oven around another 7-8 minutes. Now I'm going to do all my roll and I'm gonna show you the next step, okay? Okay guys, my involtini, my roll, they ready. I just finished my Parma ham and I use for last two some cook ham, che I recommend you, is very good. Now they going in the oven 200 degrees around 6 to 8 minutes. We have I'm gonna be more precise, but depending for your oven. When you see the cheese start coming out, just take it, okay? See you in 6-8 minutes. Okay guys, 5 minutes. When you start to see something like that, okay, the cheese start out, it's ready. Oh, I cannot wait to try. They look amazing, and yeah, I will do it. Now we're gonna try it. They already a little bit. I take out from the oven already 6-7 minutes. Wow, I'm choose this one. They super nice. Oh, look at the cheese. Is amazing. Now, and guys, wow, absolutely delicious. Wow, I don't believe that. Perfect, guys. Wow, involtini or roll with stuff inside with cheese and Parma ham. Even if you like cook ham, is this. If you like, figure out and follow us. Ciao.